Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Obsidian on mobile and how you can master note-taking on the go in 2025. If you want a powerful, flexible way to capture your ideas, organize thoughts, and work seamlessly between devices, Obsidian's mobile app is where it's at. Start by downloading Obsidian from your App Store and signing into your account or create a new vault. The interface is clean but packed with features. Your notes are organized in Markdown files, which means you can easily link ideas together by just typing square brackets, double tap, and selecting the notes you want to connect. One of the best things about Obsidian on mobile is the availability to sync your vault across devices securely. So you can jot down ideas on your phone and pick up right where you left off on the desktop. Plus, the app supports plugin, themes, and customization to tailor your note-taking style. Creating notes is simple. Tap the new button, write your thoughts, and use Markdown syntax for headings, lists, and more. You could also embed images, PDFs, or even audio recordings to make sure your notes richer. Navigation is smooth with a graph view, letting you visualize connection between all your notes, and don't forget to use tags and backlinks to keep everything easy to find. Whether you're a student, professional, or just love organizing your life, Obsidian Mobile in 2025 is a must to have a powerful note-taking wherever you go. So thanks for watching. If this helped you to get started with Obsidian on mobile, be sure to like this video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more productivity tips and text tutorial. Catch you in the next video.